Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. How is everyone doing today? In today's video, we are going to be doing another review on some more Jordans. As you guys know, or if you don't know, I just posted a video a couple of days ago. I did a mini shoe haul, and one of the Jordans that I did a review on was the Retro 6, the Midnight Navies. So I have these bad boys right here. I do plan on doing like a little mini review because y'all know I don't really know how to get into all the details, but I'm gonna try my best to give you guys as much details as I can. These are the Air Jordan 11 Retro Lows, better known as the 7210s. I got mine in grade school size 6.5. I don't think none of my other Jordan boxes look like this. Excuse the fingerprints. I touched the box and my fingerprints literally just got on the box. So that's disturbing, but this is the box. I'm loving the box because normally my box just looks plain. These dropped May the 14th, I believe. And they were originally supposed to get delivered May 20th. Today is May 19th. But they got delivered yesterday. So I was really excited. I mentioned these in my other video. So if you haven't watched it, go ahead. I will leave that link somewhere up in this video so you guys can check that out. I own Jordan 1s. I own a pair of Jordan 5s. I got the Jordan 6s, 2 pairs of those. 2 pair of Retro 12s. I also have this pair of the 11s, my first pair of these, maybe 2 pair of 13s, I want to say, these and these right here. To be honest, I was actually gonna wear the shoes to work first and then do a review on them, but I was like, we can't do that. Possibly getting creases and dirt and jacking them up and then trying to come on here to do a review. Like, who does that? These shoes need to be on some red carpet. That's how beautiful these shoes look. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Again, here is the box. It says Air Jordan on the front with the red Jumpman. Instantly, when I opened them up last night, of course, I took a look before you guys. I seen this black bag and I really thought, like, is this a whole trash bag in here? Are they pranking me? Like, they pranking your girl. Just look at the shoe. I need to just set the box down gently so I can really show y'all, because these shoes, I'm gonna give y'all like a well, I'm gonna try my best to give y'all like the best review I can, even though I know y'all probably already seen other people do reviews on these shoes already. I'm not no sneakerhead or nothing like that, but I do love me a good pair of shoes. Let me just, like I said, show y'all the shoe. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna try to give as much detail as I can. Ooh, first of all, before I get into it, let's take a moment of silence for these shoes, because we just need a moment of silence. Y'all, every time I see these shoes, I promise you, I swore up and down that 12s was my favorite pair of Jordans, but these 11, they really just took that spot. I don't know if y'all could really see that glitter off up in the toe box. I mean, it goes through the shoe. That's what really stood out for me when I seen these shoes on Foot Locker. I was like, is that glitter? But it's not that glitter that sits on top of the shoe that gets all over the place when you walk and it just comes off. What they call this, a gum bottom, a clear bottom. They got the white along the sides down here. This is the patent leather, from my understanding. I really love the shoe because of the lines right there. I love that design. That is like a hard plastic, but that is a 2 and a 3. Got the little mini red Jumpman right there. They also have one in the inside. And then on the tongue, they have another little red Jumpman right there. The thick, chunky laces. The reason why I like these laces so much is because they stay in place. Like, I don't be liking a tie certain pairs of shoes that I got, I feel like they look better if the lace just hang off the side. And these will be perfect for that. So I'm loving these shoestrings. I don't know what that says. If y'all know what this says right there, leave it in the comment section, because I really don't know what it says, to be honest. On the tongue, it says 72 and 10 over there. And y'all probably can't really see it. Inspired by the most historic season, led by the greatest player ever. Black and white, basic color. This shoe will go with everything. It has a little red and black checkerboard little print right there in the corner. Anyways, we're gonna get ready to take these shoes outside and put them on so you guys can see them. Well, get at least a little bit more closer look. So I'm gonna see y'all outside. All right, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you were considering getting the shoe, but you were undecided because you just didn't know if this was a good shoe for you or not, after watching this video, I hope I inspired you somehow to go ahead and grab the shoe and add it to your collection. Like I said, I think the shoe is amazing. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. It is absolutely free. And if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every last one of you. Share this video with anyone and everyone you know. If you made it to the end, then comment 7210. Give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure your post notifications are turned on so when I post my next video, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.